Migrating Bird Immigration Services expertly helps convention refugees find protection in Canada based on a well-founded fear of discrimination, persecution, and imprisonment due to nationality, race, religion, being a member of a particular social group, political opinions, and activities. Many of our clients have multiple bases of claims for which we collect every necessary detail, document, and exhibit to substantiate each relevant point in a clear, succinct, professional, and effective manner. There's no room for errors or omissions in this category, and we ensure your case is handled properly. Staying abreast of world situations and Canadian and international immigration law helps us create comprehensive application packages. We've had great success with cases involving human rights abuses on many levels, including religious freedom, which can be a huge issue for many people around the world, and we work hard to help them worship as they please in Canada, along with women seeking to escape inequality and oppression. We also successfully handle claims for political and social activists who can easily find themselves persecuted and facing very harsh punishments, along with those dealing with corruption, racism, or prejudice and conflict due to their nationality or sexual orientation. We help with claims made inside and outside of Canada, and also help arrange the sponsoring of refugees by individuals, a group of 5, or an organization. If you need assistance applying for protection in Canada, contact our immigration team for a free assessment of your situation. We'll assess your claim, offer sound advice and practical options, and do our very best to prove your claim for protection and guide you on your path to permanent resident status in Canada. Contact our head office in North Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, or speak to our representatives in our offices in Iran, the United Arab Emirates, and China. We look forward to helping you find the freedom and safety you seek in Canada.